around! Take off your mask!
And where down we go,
You are dead!
Space was just a word made up by someone who's afraid to get too close.
Show yourself! Show yourself! Fuck off! To people that are pro-life! I fucking hate you!
I'm a unicorn.
Why can't women have abortions?
And 450. N. No N.
This is for lonely children after this. It's only children, DW. A lonely child is what you're gonna be when I sell you.
My vagina is named Ronald and there is nothing you can do about it.
You cannot name your vagina Ronald. It is not an appropriate name. You should name it Charlotte. That is a pretty name. Ronald makes me think of cheeseburgers. No one should think of cheeseburgers when they think of your vagina. I am going to write my congressman about this. This cannot happen in our democracy.
Question for you all. Is Bumper a seal or a sea lion? Shout it out.
Sea lion.
Uh-oh.
I have an idea. Why is there a pad on a basketball?
I'm going to hell anyway, why not?
Stop having sex! This species needs to die!
You're ridiculous. What a loser, am I right, Your Majesty? Oh, me? King. What do you mean, who? Oh, he just committed treason.
Reduce. Reuse. Ikiki.
This is our audition to be extras in the new Jurassic World. Number 3. Is that a pterodactyl? Samuel! Where are you? Oh. Whoa! Stay back. We have a raptor out of containment. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Whoa, whoa, ma'am! Get back. Those scratch marks were not there last night.
Y'all, somebody downloaded subtitles for a Harry Potter movie and replaced the word wand with penis. You're allowed a penis. Your penis, Harry. Your penis. What's got your penis in a knot? My penis, Wormtail. Pick up your penis, and the Licorice penis. When Voldemort's penis and mine sort of connected. He or she need only send up red sparks with their penis.
We're gonna get you guys a good pride outfit. The fish are gay, Jennifer.
Oops. I'm on the floor.
the fume hood and go back to the final. React quickly.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm so scared she's gonna cry. I just imagine being a man. Excuse me, I'm in the bath. Imagine being a man and coming across my video of me barking at someone and getting mad about it. Why? I don't understand. They're like, you ruined the trend. And I'm like, I didn't know that barking was a trend. Dogs have been doing this shit for ages.
I have nothing to say in what is new. All I know is I have a very unpleasant granddaughter. Yo, let me get her number though. Pasta! I love God, my family, my president, and my country, and I have high blood pressure! Where does high blood pressure fit into any of this? Judy, call me, oh lost ya mumbin. What the fuck? I guarantee you, the second Judy answers that call, she's gonna have her flashlight on. I do not give Facebook permission to print anything off my computer! Shut up, Mabel. No one wants to see 20 pictures of your dog. Seafood!
Time! Flick your flippers up and down. Look at the sky and turn around. And forward, raise flippers and waddle, you 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 waddle. Papa Joe will be there on the double. Grandpa Shark, Grandpa Shark, Grandpa.
Hey, little girl, let me get your number. Let me get that number. Sexy. Don't roll that window up. Girl, she's tripping.
Oh! Pull over, sir! Pull over!
Sir, in the gray van, please pull over.
And the white shorts and the red shoes. Bring that ass here, boy.
Chase Nelson, you are under arrest for being too sexy. Please report to my car immediately.
To the right, shoot that. Jimbo, shoot, take that ball to the hoop.
Oh, no.
You belong to the streets. You belong to the streets. Don't get too busy. Yeah! Who's trying to be my sugar daddy? That's just my baby daddy. That's just my baby daddy.
I see.
If you got red hair, you automatically a bitch. I'm out here risking my life holding y'all down. You didn't come and tell me I'm plastic. Bitch, fuck you. All bitches do is lie, and all men do is play. Y'all need to stop being sad and just go do coke. For real, though, just fucking do it. Woke up with a fat ass. Is it just me, or do y'all coochies be stinking? It's just you, mamas. It's just you. Yeah, I use Twitter a lot. So what? Your ex used you, and nobody said anything about it. My period late. Stop texting me, I choke men.
Her fin's not coming off. Her fin's not coming off. Yeah, do it. You guys doing it now? Oh, poor Ariel. Oh God, Ariel. Oh, man. Are you a damn ceiling fan? Damn bird. Oh, Ariel, here we go again. Dance, girl. Yes, reach. Oh. What are you gonna do with it? Yeah, you flip your fist. What are you doing? What are you do it with your thingamajig. Thingamabobs. Bye.
This girl posted this video saying if you're one of those females who's dyed her hair a different color, lower your voice when you speak to me because that's the ugliest shit I ever seen. And the comments did not hold back, so I am going to read them to you. I just know you're not talking. I know a girl with a jawline longer than the panhandle of Florida, then I'll just say something. Can I get a very stretch, brother? Girl, you look like Hercules. Okay, cinnamon stick from Applejack's commercial. I said, girl, you look like the horse from Tangled. Hey, Papa's turn on your 2 hands, baby. Back it up, bowling pin.
1, 2, 3.
Birthday. 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 Birthday.
The most embarrassing. I was in the bathroom on break, and you know how they have those like toilet seat cover things? Well, yeah, I threw it down and didn't punch out the middle. That's important for later. So I'm doing my thing, and I lost so much weight that I thought I could fly at this point. So I'm done, right? And I go to stand up, and the toilet seat cover sticks to my butt, and then I reach for it, and it falls off, and it glides under the next stall and hits the dude in the foot, and there's poop on it! And I just froze, because at this moment I knew that he knew who I was because of my shoes, because I'm the only one with my shoes, and because I'm not Satan, I reached under and was like, oop, let me now I'm sitting in my car because I don't want to go back in.
Sometimes I forget why people are scared of me in public, and then I remember the time that this man was talking about my ass behind me to his friend. And I turned around and I barked so hard that I shit my pants and I ran away like this.
There was an incident.
What now?
I'll show you. Who puts the lid down? It's trespass. Trespass.
Did you sit on that and it broke?
You must choose, Mr. Bond. Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Come on, dude.
Oh.
Where's the money, Lebowski? You want that money, Lebowski? Bunny says you're good for it. Where's the fucking money, shithead?
It's down there somewhere. Let me take another look.
He made these. They're gorgeous. Come in. Speak up, I can't hear you. Speak up, I can't hear you. What? Need a spare key? Now what teacher told you I own a spare key? Miss calling me. Oh. She's a little rascal. Okay, I'll tell you what. This is the key. Bring it straight back.
Turn to the girl and say, I wasn't always this hot. Soak it in.
And I wasn't always this hot. You should suck it in.
They hate you! They absolutely hate you!
Matt, turn to the guy to your left and say, can I smell your hair?
Can I smell your hair?
No. The most primitive of
It's good call.
In the UK, this boat would be on the other side of the river.
You know, in the UK, this boat would be on the other side of the river. Yeah. So stupid. We do it the right way.
I can't wear a mask because I have breathing problems. Okay, I have a big fat trunk, earth-shutting ass, but I still wear pants. I love being in bed. Like, yeah, everything is terrible, but at least I'm me knows. All I'm kidding is let me know. Also me, Lauren Luther King. Who comes to be like, this stays between us, and then college house. COVID would have been over if we let these guys. How are you learning, son? Visit a visit San Francisco. Now no one can. Correct, that's the kind of restaurant. Got up to everyone on earth having Clash 2020.
I have a headache. This weather stinks.
First by the 7th of September 18043.
Oh, my goodness, I'm late to pick up Binky.
Let's not pick him up.
Ariel! What is all of this?
Daddy, they're my...
Human junk!
No, treasures!
Did you save a human from drowning?
Harry Potter? More like Harry Pothead, huh? Yeah, I'm a Slytherin. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. Help, 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 help! Linguaria Leviosa! Linguaria Leviosa! Linguaria Leviosa!
And if I had a strange conversation with a lady in the street telling me to move my tired feet, if you could be anywhere, then where would you be? If you could be anywhere.
I thought we killed all the strings. How are you alive? Where are the others? God damn it, the cities! Why didn't you think of that?
Who the hell looked at the middle finger and said, hey, yo, this is kind of offensive? When you try not to cry in an argument, you feel vegans be like, hey, I want some moisture. After using a bunch of anti-aging cream. Don't jump to conclusions. I hate when a girl lays her head on my chest and her wig feels like Easter basket. I can change them, girls. Yep. School spelled backward is Luke's, and it looks like I'm shopping at this. If astrology isn't real, then why are you? So to pick them up all for $112. I don't know how to call myself 4 pesos. Well, there goes my plans for today. What if God came down one day and just said it's pronounced John? John! I love when Walmart play Christmas music. I get in those things. Y'all got ready to get to bed and I suddenly hit their head on the wall. Someone said Kai's that looks like David Dobrik. Remember, be like, I don't like drama, then go to war. My mugshot when they catch me on Snapchat cross scanning my PS5 is a scam. I have to log in. You and my friends spot me or chip that whatever. If I got a parallel park, do not invite me. Car got the car and chicken cheese and look at my kid. Sorry, Kevin, your eyes, your father. Grab a girl's phone when it's unlocked and watch how strong that young man When Katy Perry said, do you ever feel like a plastic bag? And we didn't question it. What the hell does that even
How class are grapes? Just fuck one in your mouth and before you know it, you're eating another grape.
My mom, why haven't you done the dishes? The COVID exists. People who got nose piercings for when you're in someone else's house and the poop will go away.
Mom, there's food at the house. American healthcare would be like, you have stubbed your toe, now give me yours. Me watching my teacher using her spit to turn the pages while checking my notebook. Amber Rose likes to be called Caillou. When you stub your toe but it's late at night so you can't scream. Y'all ever ask cauliflower if they want to be these? I know you're weak because I never broke a bone in my body. How your own skeleton fold? I can change him. Girl, that he Bro, I'm so high I threw my bolster around the bed instead of my phone. Me, I'm gonna be on my stuff this year. No excuses. Also, I hate when I call my mom and she don't answer. What are you doing besides being my mom?
I guess your brothers have been busy, huh? Oh, we should have our picnic in there.
Excuse me.
Urge to bust so.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
So my new favorite pastime is going on TikTok live and pretending that I've been possessed. And the only reason I do it is because whenever I go on, someone's always like, Spencer, there's something behind you. I think it's a demon. So last night I went along with it and pretended to be possessed, but it turns out that someone was screen recording, and this is what everyone in my live got to see.
Don't fuck with me like. Oh my god, guys! I think whatever it was is like.
What the fuck?
My pussy tastes like Pepsi Cola.
People in the future are really gonna be like, this is my grandpa Braid. My guardian interrupted her shift with me. You look at a baby and think Pharaoh, old ass baby. My head sounds like the inside of a fish. Doctor, sir, you've got a very rare disease. How rare? You victim. Boomers as parents, your disappointment. Gen Z as parents, you're a flop. It's a full investment time. It feels like when your mom buys off-brand food, Beast Community. The girls in high-waisted jeans. Look at me, if you laugh, you're lying. It's fake. When you're feeling ugly, so you put on a filter and you still look ugly. After you graduate high school, there's really nothing else to do, but I have no interest in the Travis Scott burger. Call me when Burger King collabs with Cardi B and Megan for the Whopper.
She ride me like a Harley.
On the spaceship, I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim light stage like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, have a reset.
See you in the afterlife, chickie's gonna drown myself in the shower.
She ride me like a Harley.
We thought we killed all the men! How are you alive? Where are the others?
I don't wanna scare ya. Oh no, it's cool. The next thing I know, Sarah took me to the bathroom.
Premarital sex.
Weather outside is frightful, but that fire is delightful.
I'm photosynthesizing. I'm baptizing. Levitating. Waxing my car. I'm finding the X value. Evaporating. Galloping. Hemorrhaging. Pissing milk. Committing murder.
Always enough a day, hey, and you don't have to hide away, yeah. You be my boy.
Avada Kedavra!
Nobody else the way that you flip your head gets me overwhelmed. When you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful.
The wiener was hot, so Juju licked at it tentatively. I put it in my mouth and was stunned by the sharp sweetness.
Me, she ugly as fuck. Somebody, that's my cousin. Me, your cousin ugly as fuck. Men be lying so much. How the fuck you at your homeboy house and I'm here? I'll drag my bear Shopping for a guy is hard. What do you all like besides other bitches' pictures? Not shit. No condoms, all spooky season. We should both be. I saw your breakups. It's later text me. What's your cousin's number? He's there. Y'all afraid to moan. I'm gripping his head like, holy cannoli. Pennywise ain't special. I swallow kids too. The fuck? My pussy got close up like it. I'm not going for ages, but I know you a whole bitch.
Do y'all remember when Fergie sang the national anthem?
Just that star spangled banner yet wave.
Do a pizza! 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 Pizza!
Albus Dumbledore! Who the fuck put my name in here? Bruh. Silence! Everyone keeps talking. If you don't shut up, I'm gonna change the Wi-Fi password. Those songs were fucking raw. Neville's parents, they suffered something far worse than death. They got expelled? What? Sorry, I live with Hermione. Avada Kedavra! Expelliarmus! Avada Kedavra! Am I a joke to you? Voldemort planning to kill Harry for the 100th time. Bellatrix, Lucius, and Narcissa.
I wish y'all would shut the fuck up with the coochie rap battles. She tried to make us stop. It's the coochie cops. Caught her slipping on the block. It's a coochie op. We finna make another hit. Call it Coochie Bop. Put the coochie on a shirt. That's a coochie top. Cooking crack in the coochie. It's a coochie pot. Put the coochie on the table. It's a coochie plate. That don't fit the rhyme. Beat it up now. Now she claiming that her coochie ache. Leave it real raw. Call it a coochie steak. Chicken wings and fries. We on a coochie day. Oh my god. I took my time with the coochie. Made the coochie late. Okay, you fine. I'm really trying to tell your coochie, hey. Yeah, you cute. But my bad dog, this coochie gay.
Him, spit on him, me. I forgot how to flirt. I just told him I like his ear shape. The Uber driver said, you got a man. I said, I am a man. I hate boring sex. Jump off the dresser and WWE my fit. Hey, me, you lied and lied. I love me a tall man. Like, oh, will you hug me or will you touch my tummy? Bitches, your brother fine. My brother, she sucked dick. Me. He said thank you. Pick your head up, queen, your lace is falling.
Can't stay.
Baby, it's cold outside.
Gotta go away.
Baby, it's cold outside.
Last time my friends were over, we were all sitting here watching a movie. You came downstairs completely nude, covered head to toe in salsa, and screamed, Who wants huevos rancheros now, bitches?
There is only one video that lives in my head rent-free, and it's this one.
All right, well, you got pretty good balance there.
Thank you.
I want you to step, bump, step, bump, bump, step, bump, bump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, bump, bump, step, bump, bump. Pas de beret, kickball change, step, clap.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8.
You know what would be good is if you hitch kicked and then you kind of did that and then a barrel turn and then ha, you know.
That was good.
That would be.
That was really good. You a dancer?
No, I'm just drunk.
Up against the vehicle right now, sir. You're going
Hello? 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 Let me out! Where the fuck am I? Hello? Hello? Let me out! The fucking dark in here! Where the fuck am I? Is that priest I can hear? That fuck! Let me out! Hello! Hello! Stop the mask! Stop, I can hear you! Hello! Hello! Please! Hello! Who's there? Hello? Easy, shame me, I'm in the box. No, I'm fucking front of you, I'm there. You gotta hear that. That's me. Hello again. Hello. I just called to say goodbye. I'm going to die, I'm afraid to say.
I can't help but think. No, I can't help but think of you. Maybe in time you can win me back. But right now, me and you are through. Baby, we can't be together. Never.
Hey, punk. Oh! I was going to do a video where I pretended to be a 2000s cartoon bully, but it appears I have farted in the middle of my video. I am ashamed.
Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah.
We know our parents for our whole life, but they only know us for part of theirs. Why is it that our tongues rest at the roof of our mouths? Yo, if you think about it, you and your best friend can't go to each other's funeral. Yo, you can't save a life. You can only delay a death. Hey, if tears taste salty, then why don't our eyes burn when we're crying? If an identical twin got plastic surgery, would the other twin get offended?
I'm so sick of men complaining about women. Get you a boyfriend then, bitch. Y'all motherfuckers heard about a PS5, but ain't nothing seen in 7 years. PS, he's fine. Just ran over a rat. Y'all better check. I hate when my man got ugly ass homies. Like, I guess I'll be loyal. I fucking guess. Chris will only allow us to be cool as fuck. Like, you know what's up? I got no idea. Your head never itch so bad that you just start biting it or my crack. I'm like, Why do we do that? The world really falling apart and I'm just in the house. His forehead just felt like it because I loved him. Boys who don't speak because like you don't love her, I kinda like you.
I can't stop singing WAP in a Scottish accent. I want you to park. I want you to park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage.
I think I'm about to crap myself. I gotta fart so bad. God. Do you think if I like tried to cover it up with a cough, they wouldn't hear it?
Okay, just do it.
I think I just pooped my pants. Are you breathing?
Lexi? 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 Hey. Stop staring at me like that. Alexis! Yo, you're starting to freak me the fuck out. Mom! 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 Stop! Why are you crying? Hello? Lexi? Mom! She's just standing here staring at me. Screaming.
Max. Hey. Come on, go lay down.
Here's the caps of silicone liquid containers with an awl. Put in tubes with IV controllers.
Because I have that lying around. Is this to drink out of? Is this to drink out of? You get drinks on the plane. You press a button and say, can I have a drink, please? And they bring it to you. There's no need for this 007 bullshit.
Pour Coke in one container.
That's fucking Fanta! I'm glad to see that Coke has changed to orange all of a sudden.
In the other. Cover them with caps and tubes. Put them in the pillow.
The thing is, if someone did this with a neck pillow and they saw all this inside, you'd be arrested.
Would've came back for you. I just needed.
Fuck! Oh no. Damn it! I think they fucking saw me, bro. Ugh, that was bad. Dang, the boss is gonna kill me after that one. Are you kidding? Oh, dude, that kid right there is looking at me. Like, I think he saw me. Hold on. Listen up, kid. If you tell anyone that you saw that, I'm gonna cook you into a fucking baked bean and then shove you up my— oh, fuck. Oh my god. Okay, how do I look? How do I look? Do I look normal? Do I look good? Wait. Shh. Okay, honestly, like, fuck this. I'm leaving. Damn it. Oh my god. Oh! I snapped a wire.
Liam dedicating little things to you because he knows that you are very insecure. Is that supposed to make me feel better? I think that's just pointing out all my insecurities. Niall saw you and Zane talk last night. Niall, don't touch your name. She's mine. Why are they fighting on stage about it? Zane, your name says she likes boys with muscles. Louis. Why are they talking about me in an interview? Why is he flexing that hard? You and Harry were arguing over couple stuffs. As you were winning the conversation, Harry grabbed your hands and pinned them roughly against the wall. Just give one more smartass answer and you will see how there wouldn't be any part of you unshaking. In your name, I swear I won't stop until the whole Here's my name, Harry Warren, as you sound more like what? I can't even finish it. Like, what is happening? This just went to 0 to 100 real quick. Harry, calm down, please. We were arguing over nothing.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
How tall are you? Yogurt.
Yeah, this the real one, baby. I'm telling you, Chi-Town stand up.
Need some oil. Okay. Wait for that to heat up. Some oil. Too much! Oil is not good for the body. Clean it up. Again.
Say something! Foreign Bill! Say yes. It's a piece of cake. Homecoming?
Yeah, I don't know. I just kind of was a little bit upset with how you treated me that time when you... You ungrateful little piece of... Don't you know that I buy you water? Don't you know that I buy you food? Don't you know that I buy you clothes? Don't you know that I buy you all of the things that you need to live that I should probably be required to buy you as a parent and should probably not be using against you? This is my house. I put a roof over your head. This is my house. I own this house. You do not own this house. I put a roof over your head. I pay the bills around here. Even though I'm required to because you're 12 and you don't have a job. I pay the bills around here. I pay the bills. Don't you know that I pay the water bill? And I pay the electricity bill. And I pay the cable bill.
Alright, so a lot of people wouldn't survive this, but here's how I would survive it. So I'd be driving this bus, obviously, and there's a bunch of passengers in the back. We have a light little scrape on the side right here. I'm still alive. Now this one hurts a little bit. I'm getting jostled around, but it's nothing crazy. It's almost like being inside of a maraca, like so, you know, we're getting shooken around a little bit, but, you know, we're not in too much pain at this time. Some of my passengers are dead. Now that hurt a little bit. As you can see, there's a decent amount of space in the front for me to bounce around a little bit more, like a pinball. You know, it hurts a little bit. The water slows us down, and I survived.
Ladies and gentlemen, this book is relevant today. The Scarlet Letter is relevant to you all today. We're all labeled as something, ladies and gentlemen. We are all labeled as something. Whether we're labeled as a whore, right? Or a fatty. Or just plain ugly or smelly. We're all labeled as something. But it is not up to society to label ourselves. It is up to us to label ourselves. Okay, let's pick up from page 37. Gentlemen, why are we laughing? Do we think it's funny to be a whore? Do you think whores are funny? No, I want to know. Would it be funny if your mother was in fact a whore? Would it? Didn't think so. Thank you, gentlemen. Okay, page 37.
Afro circus, Afro circus, Afro polka dot, Afro.
But I watch your eyes as she walks by. What a sight for sore eyes, brighter than a blue sky.
What you gonna do when mom and dad come after you?
Is right above us. The country right above us, the language they speak.
Spanish.
The country right above us, not below us.
Bitch, I don't know.
You got Mexico, U.S., and fuck, Skip. Oh my God.
I'm not gonna do
All right,
this.
it's not Chinese. It's
Japanese.
okay. It's not German. It sounds really fancy. Tendresse, calesse.
Spanish.
No, sir. It got a lot of. Oui.
Chinese.
Oui.
You Why did you say bonjour?
I don't know what else to say about this, guys. I guess you guys think this is funny. I don't think this is funny. I just want my orange marker back. I gave you an opportunity to put your name up here. You wouldn't be in trouble, and you wrote, I'll give you a hint, I'm failing your class. That could be any of you. That doesn't tell me anything. Gage, you don't know how to capitalize I in your writing still. Bradley, you don't know the difference between your and you are. Ethan, I read a whole essay about what collage you're going to go to. UC Berkeley isn't a collage, Ethan. I just want my marker back.
No, Chris, no.
It's murder!
No.
Stop! Thou shalt not murder!
Why? Why are you doing this?
No!
No, Chris! No, Chris!
Of murdering babies. He's in the act of murdering babies. He's murdered thousands of babies.
I'm still supposed to love
You have a complete misunderstanding of the Bible. Complete misunderstanding.
Thank you, Chris.
Chris, you're burning your bridges with the other pro-lifers. These are the only bitches that agree with you. Chris, can we take a selfie? Selfie! Selfie, Chris! Chris, stop walking out of frame! Chris!
Young ladies, let us help you.
Chris!
Please have mercy on that child who
I
is
want us to
alive
both be broccoli,
and
Chris.
Enough already.
If there's a video that lives rent-free in my mind, it's this one.
Hey, Bill. I painted my nails. Is that against the religion?
Why would you not? Why would you do that? Just keep them normal.
No, I'm gonna paint more. I want to paint them more.
No, don't do that.
I got these done too.
No, stop.
Why not?
No.
Is it too feminine of me?
Huh?
I'm in touch with my feminine side. I think that's okay.
Listen. Please fix that and go back to the natural color of your nails.
Why?
Please.
You're
not a kid!